Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking you on an adventure to a place that looks like it is straight out of a fantasy movie. We're heading to the heart of Vietnam, to the stunning Bana Hills in Dia Nam, to witness a true architectural marvel. Get ready to have your minds blown. Imagine soaring high above lush, green mountains, with the mist swirling around you. The air is fresh, cool, and filled with a sense of magic. As we ascend, something truly extraordinary begins to reveal itself through the clouds. Is that ... a bridge held up by giant hands? Yes, it is! This is the world-famous Golden Bridge, an iconic symbol of Vietnam that seems to defy gravity itself. Look at this incredible sight. Two colossal, weathered stone hands, looking ancient and mystical, gently cradle a shimmering golden walkway. It stretches 150 meters across the sky, like a silk ribbon unfurled for the gods. The first time you see it, you can't help but wonder if you've stepped into another dimension. The scale is just immense, and the design is unlike anything else on Earth. It's not just a bridge, it's a work of art suspended between heaven and earth. Now, let's take a walk on this celestial path. As you step onto the golden-hued walkway, you immediately feel like you're walking on air. The bridge is perched more than 1,400 meters above sea level, offering the most breathtaking panoramic views you can imagine. On a clear day, you can see the sprawling city of Da Nang, the beautiful coastline, and the endless green of the surrounding mountains. It's a 360-degree vista, but will leave you speechless. But the real magic happens when the clouds roll in. Suddenly, you're enveloped in a soft, white mist, and the world below disappears. It feels like you're literally walking through the clouds, with only the golden path and the giant hands to guide you. It is a surreal and peaceful experience that makes you feel connected to nature in a profound way. The bridge itself is lined with beautiful purple lobelia chrysanthemums, adding a vibrant splash of color against the golden structure and the green landscape. Every single step on this bridge is a photo opportunity. The way the light hits the golden railings, the texture of the giant stone hands, the sweeping curves of the bridge itself. It's a photographer's dream. You'll see people from all over the world, all with smiles on their faces, trying to capture the perfect shot. Whether you're taking a selfie, a panoramic landscape, or a creative shot looking up at the hands, you're guaranteed to get some incredible photos to remember your trip by. I'm curious, what's the most unique bridge you've ever visited? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your travel stories. The design of the hands is particularly fascinating. They were intentionally weathered to give them an aged, mossy look, as if they've been holding up this bridge for centuries. The creators wanted to evoke the image of the hands of God pulling a strip of gold out of the land. It's this combination of modern engineering and mythical storytelling that makes the Golden Bridge so captivating. It's not just about getting from one point to another. It's about the journey and the emotions it evokes. The Golden Bridge is actually part of a much larger destination, the Sunworld Bana Hills Resort. So, your adventure doesn't end with the bridge. To get here, you take one of the world's longest and highest cable car rides, which is an incredible experience in itself. As you glide silently over the pristine jungle, you'll see waterfalls and towering trees below. Once you reach the top, you'll find a whimsical French-inspired village, complete with cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and even a cathedral. There are beautiful gardens, pagodas, and an amusement park. So you can easily spend an entire day exploring everything Bana Hills has to offer. Let's talk about the best time to visit. To avoid the biggest crowds and get that magical, misty atmosphere, I'd recommend going early in the morning. The soft morning light is perfect for photography, and there's a higher chance of seeing the bridge floating above a sea of clouds. The late afternoon is also a fantastic time, as you might be able to catch a spectacular sunset, with the sky painted in hues of orange, pink, and purple. The golden hue of the bridge looks even more radiant during the golden hour. Imagine watching the sun dip below the mountains from this vantage point. It is an unforgettable experience. The story behind the bridge is just as interesting as its appearance. It opened in 2018 and almost instantly went viral online, catapulting it to global fame and making it a must-see destination in Vietnam. It was designed to connect the cable car station with the gardens and to provide a scenic overlook for tourists. The designers truly outdid themselves, creating not just a functional structure, but a landmark that captures the imagination of everyone who sees it. It has become a symbol of Da Nang's ambition and creativity in tourism. For anyone planning a trip to Vietnam, I cannot recommend this place enough. It's more than just a tourist attraction. It's an experience that touches your soul. The feeling of standing on that bridge, surrounded by such immense beauty, is something that will stay with you forever. It's a reminder of the incredible things humans can create when we blend art, nature, and engineering. It really makes you appreciate the beauty of our world and the ingenuity of human creativity. Have you ever seen a piece of architecture that made you feel this way? I'd love to hear about it in the comments. So, is the Golden Bridge real? It absolutely is, and it's even more spectacular in person than any photo or video could ever show. It's a journey into the clouds, a walk through a fairy tale, and a highlight of any trip to Southeast Asia. From the thrilling cable car ride to the awe-inspiring moment you first lay eyes on those giant hands, every part of this experience is pure magic. If you're looking for adventure, beauty, and a touch of wonder, put the Golden Bridge at the top of your travel list. It's a testament to Vietnam's growing status as a world-class travel destination. Thank you so much for joining me on this virtual trip to one of the most incredible places on Earth. I hope this has inspired you to go out and explore. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing travel destinations, make sure to hit that like button. And do forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.